Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So few NotebookLM problems are more frustrating than writing notes, saving AI responses, organizing research, and then discovering that your notes aren't appearing, aren't updating, or seem to disappear entirely. Fortunately, most note saving issues are caused by synchronization problems, browser conflicts, account mismatches, connectivity issues, or temporary NotebookLM glitches rather than permanent data loss. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix NotebookLM not saving your notes in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, verify you are using the correct account or Google account. So one of the most common causes of missing notes is being signed into the wrong account. So check your Google profile picture, active account email, notebook ownership. Many users accidentally switch accounts without realizing it. Okay, so wrong account issues are surprisingly common. So refresh the notebook, like temporary synchronization issues sometimes prevent notes from appearing. So try refresh NotebookLM, reopen the notebook, check the notes section again. So this often forces NotebookLM to reload the latest saved content. So a fresh reload can resolve many syncing issues. Okay, so verify your internet connection, like NotebookLM relies on cloud synchronization. So check for weak Wi-Fi, connection drops, VPN interruptions, network instability. So if the connection fails while editing, note synchronization may be delayed. Okay, so stable internet is essential for reliable saving. Okay, so this is it guys, how to fix NotebookLM not saving your notes. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.